So last class, we have discussed about sort command along with UNIX command. So with help of sort command, we can able to sort the data either in ascending order or descending order. So if you want to sort it on numeric order, we can use -n option. And even if you want to sort the data, even we also discussed about one more command, so which is called pipe. So what is the intent of the pipe symbol? The pipe symbol is if you want to transfer previous command output as an input to the next command, then we'll go with we'll go with pipe symbol. So that is also one of the very important option. So majority of the places we use this one. So if you want to get the list of commands that we have executed last time, so we can also get it by using this history command. So even as part of history, we can able to see so what are all the commands we have discussed. So I hope all those commands are clear for everyone. So today we will discuss about few more internal commands. So before going to start today's command, if you are having any doubts, let me know so that we'll discuss it on further. So today's topic will be like first paste command, what paste command does, and along with paste command, so we'll also discuss about few more internal. After that we'll also discuss about the special character. So before the special characters, we'll discuss few more commands. Then the goal of this week is we are going to complete majority of file related commands. So I'm planning to take much more time so that we can finish all of those commands. So if you're having any doubts as of now, do let me know. Otherwise we'll continue today's class. So is it fine or still you want to discuss anything? Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the paste command. The paste command, what it does is, so even the paste command is also helpful. If you are having a two files, so if you want to combine two commands, two files output as a single file output, then we can use this paste command. Then we can use this paste command. So for example, let's take so here. So we are having this sorted text.txt, right? So if I run this cat command, so cat and even for example, if you go with cat sort text.txt, so first it will display the file one context, then later it will display the file two context. So with help of cat command, we can able to we can able to display the data. So first file one content, then later file two content, then later so file to content we can able to get it. So if you want to achieve the same thing, so if you want to achieve the same thing by using other method which is a paste command. So paste the same sort one or sort2.txt. So instead of displaying the output, first I mean what is the what are the differences we observed on previously. So we observed that so first file one contents displayed, then later later it displayed file two content. So if you want to combine I mean two files output as a single file output, so in side by side, so then we going go with this paste command. So which means that first file one content, then file two content. And similarly, so we're also having lots of options, paste hyphen help. So so hyphen D means delimiter. So hyphen S means serial. So if you go with hyphen S option, the hyphen S and the hyphen S, hyphen S what it does means it is a serial wise. So it is a serial wise. So for example, let's create two files. For example, a cat. So numbers dot txt. So one, two, three, four, five, six. Nine. So then similarly we'll also create characters.txt. So now, okay, since they are the big files, so we will go with okay paste command. So just okay paste. So numbers.txt, characters.txt. So if you go with this option, so first okay numbers okay displayed on left hand side. Then characters are displayed on right hand side. Whereas okay if you go with okay hyphen s, so hyphen s means okay serial wise. So how it displays? So it will convert. Okay, yeah, okay. What it does? Okay, first it will display. First it displayed. So okay, okay. I mean it is a serial wise. So in line number one, the file one content. Then line number two, okay, file three, okay, file two content. That is the intent of okay hyphen s option. But hyphen s option okay we don't okay use it okay we don't use it okay normally. So we always go with okay paste command. So paste command is parallelly okay we can able to. So this is a serial and okay by default is okay parallel. So paste hyphen help you will come to know. So with help of paste command okay sequentially corresponding to the lines. So by default okay hyphen s means okay serial. So print one file at a time instead of okay in parallel. Then okay this is the then if you want to display any delimiter, then we can also use okay hyphen d. So reuse the characters from list instead of okay tabs. So for example okay if you go with okay the same paste command, so if you use okay hyphen d, so I'm trying to use the okay pipe symbol. So okay pipe symbol, sorry comma symbol. So okay let's see okay what kind of output okay we'll get it. So in this case, so by default always space is delimiter, right? Now first the file one content, then comma, then file two content. So for the same command if you use okay hyphen s option, hyphen d delimiter, then okay hyphen s. So what it does, so first 1 2 3 4 5 7 6 8 9, then A B C D E F G H I like that. Okay, okay it displays the okay output. This is the one way, and there is another advantages. Okay, we go with okay paste command. So assume that okay if you are having a file, so okay for example okay if you are having a okay another okay if you are having a file called okay VI, so paste underscore okay test dot okay txt. So we have a common text. So consider okay, we have a common text. The common text of okay, the common text. We do have a common text. So for example, we are having a, then one, two, okay, three, okay, then again okay, a or okay either a or okay b. So after that again okay, we are having so one, okay, two, then four, then again okay c. So okay again okay we do have okay one, okay then four comma six, then again okay d. So okay for example okay one okay two okay then three. So there is a file okay which contains okay output on okay this formats output on, so okay this format. Now so there is a requirement that, so there is a requirement that, so you want to okay I mean so you here a 1 2 3 and again b 1 2 4 c 1 2 okay 1 4 6. So we have a requirement that, so there is a flat file. So there is a okay flat file. So okay on that flat file. So there is a flat file. So from the flat file, so you want to okay you want to combine. So okay here you want to okay merge okay four lines okay okay four lines as a single line. So four lines as a okay single line. So you want to okay merge okay four lines as a okay single line. So in such cases okay we can use this okay paste command. So four lines as a okay single line. Okay, then okay we can go with we can go with okay this okay paste command. So this is one of the very important option. So okay what we do okay by using this so if you want to okay connect combine okay multiple lines okay as a single okay single line, then okay we can okay use this okay then okay we can use this okay paste command. So in this case for example the same, so okay paste, okay paste, so hyphen s, so hyphen d, so okay delimiter, so which delimiter okay you want to okay use it, then okay paste dot okay txt, just okay see this one. So this way we are trying to, so this is the default behavior, this is the okay default behavior. Now I want to keep okay b124 okay c146 okay d123. So in such cases Also, okay, we can able to okay achieve it okay by using this okay paste command. So any doubts on okay here? So let me know if you're having any doubts on okay, this paste command. So basically, okay, what we do is, so for example, okay, here the same command. So if I use okay instead of okay hyphen s, if you use the delimiter, paste okay hyphen d, the delimiter is okay space. Then you want to combine okay four lines, right? So one, two, three, and four. Okay, now enter. So okay here, so just use this okay less than symbol. So in this case, so we can able to okay combine A 123, B 124, C 146, D 123. So even okay delimiter is also not a mandatory. So okay this way also we can able to combine. So A 123 and okay B 124 and okay if you want to keep it as a different delimiter, so okay we can also go with okay different okay delimiter. For example, if I want to go with comma. So A comma 123, B comma 124, C comma 146, D comma 123. So this is the major advantages. Okay, majority of the times. So okay, we use this okay paste command. So this paste command, how we are trying to combine. So if you take a file, so which means that next four lines, make it as a single line. Next four lines, make it as a okay, single line. So that's way okay we can able to combine multiple lines output as a single line output okay by using this okay paste command. So okay even whenever you are writing any okay shell programs and what are the scenarios, real time scenarios are, so you get the I mean with help of curl or okay, some other utility, you will try to fetch the data from okay will try to fetch the data from okay source systems, I mean from the URL and all. So where you have a requirement that okay you want to combine okay five lines as a single line, okay two lines as a single line, three lines as a single line, okay then we will okay we use this okay paste command. So paste just simply okay hyphen 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 means so four lines make it as a single line, four lines make it as a okay single line. So if you want to pay okay if you want to save this output to some other okay some other file, so okay we can use okay greater than okay symbol. So you know the real usage of greater than symbol. If you use greater than symbol, so it creates a new file and it copies the content into that file. So okay if the file already exists, it will override the content of okay file. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So any other doubts on here? So any other doubts on the paste command? So paste command is simple and okay straightforward. The options of okay paste commands are just go with okay history. Okay, then okay we can copy paste okay these commands. So this will be really okay helpful for your day-to-day okay operations. So so now similarly, we're also having a split command. So the split command is also very important. So what we can do with the split command is, so with help of okay split command, so with help of okay split command, we can able to if the file size is okay too big. So consider you are having a file okay the file is having 10,000 lines, the file is having 10,000 lines. In out of the 10,000 lines, so if you want to come okay if you want to split 2,000 lines, 2000 lines as a single line and again 2000 lines as a single file, 2000 lines as a single file. So during that time okay we can okay during that time, so okay we can go with okay during that time okay we can go with okay this okay split command. So let's take it as okay let's consider a file, let's take it as a file. So now you are having a file called okay, india.txt. So you are having a file called okay, india.txt. So from this india.txt, how do we know that how many lines okay, this file is having? Cat hyphen n. So cat hyphen n okay file name. So total 51 lines are there. So total 51 lines are okay available. So now, for example, okay, if you go with okay test3.txt, so wc hyphen l, so wc hyphen l test3.txt, total 720 lines are okay available. So from these 720 lines, for example, if you go with okay this one, so this will be having okay more number of okay lines. Now I'm going to create okay mkdir okay split underscore okay test okay cp to that okay split underscore okay test. So the main intent of okay this okay split command is, so if the file is having too much of lines, so okay how many lines are having, so how many lines are having here, wc hyphen l, so okay 1458. So you have a requirement that, so you want to keep first okay 100 lines in a one file, next 100 lines in another file. Okay, I mean if you want to split a file into smaller number of okay pieces, then okay we can go with okay split command. This split command is really helpful. So assume that okay whenever you are okay, downloading a file, or whenever you are trying to upload a file, so there will be some network restrictions. You can't able to okay download or upload okay huge size of the files. So or you can't able to send a file from one server to another server. There could be some network limitations. So in that case, what we do is we will use this split command to split the data, split the file size into smaller number of pieces. Then okay, we can go with okay this okay split command. So ls hyphen okay now. So let's use okay split hyphen hyphen okay hell. So here this is also we can able to split the files based on okay two ways. One is number of lines. So how many lines we can able to, so print the number of lines per outputted okay file. And okay then we can also specify the okay size also, we can also specify the okay size as well. So okay bytes, b means byte size, put the size bytes per okay output file. So which means that either of the way, so we can able to go with either okay if you want to split the file by using the number of lines, we can go with that. If you want to split the size by using okay bytes, that way also we can able to okay achieve it. So okay here, so for example if you go size is okay, okay 1000 lines, and default prefix is x with no input, so or no input okay, I mean so in this case, so hyphen a means okay suffix number of okay length, generate the okay length of okay default is 2, and okay bytes, and okay okay even we can also specify the lines. And okay this is the, so okay options of okay split command. So for example okay if you want to okay split the files based on the okay size, we can also specify the k, and okay I mean n lines, or okay we can also okay specify, we can able to okay split it. Now let's okay try that. So split, just don't specify anything, split test2 dot okay txt. So the advantages of this guy will be, there will be a okay there will be a source file, and okay this is the xaa, and so xaa and xab, the file names are xaa. So okay, okay xa is the split file name, xaa and xab, so xa okay b. So for example okay if you want to okay split hyphen l, so okay 100, so okay, split hyphen L 100. Can you go and mute, please? So okay, test hyphen to txt, so that okay we can able to okay see the, so different okay. I mean for example okay if you go with okay here, so here AB is okay over, right? Now we can go with okay here XAL, and all will be having the same number of okay lines. All will be having the same number of okay files, because XAB is already available now C, right? So okay C, and majority of the files contains the 100 so except okay o is the last one, right? So it will already we're having a ab, so let's try to remove it, rm minus rf okay xa star. So now go ahead with this guy. So okay, split command. So if you execute this okay split hyphen L 100, which means that you are trying to okay split 100 lines. You are trying to okay split the, so okay 100 lines okay at a time. So okay 100 lines, so okay at a time. So okay, whereas okay if you go with okay if you go with okay if you go with without of any number, by default okay it will okay I mean by default okay it will okay split. For example you can go with just ls hyphen l, So there will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last file. This is a so last files. All of them are created on okay same time. This is the one advantages of okay advantage. Okay, this is the major functionality of okay split command. So okay, any other doubts with okay split command? So even on okay split command, so options input, even you can also okay specify the okay prefix and all. So for example, assume that okay you want to okay add a different prefix. So for example, okay test and all. So for example, okay split okay split underscore okay split underscore now ls hyphen lrt. So instead of x is the so okay default, right? So we can having okay we'll be having the ls hyphen l. So okay, here split AA, AB, AC. So instead of okay having okay XA, so it will be having a user defined okay name as well. So it will also be having a user defined okay name as well. So if you want to okay specify even that format also we can able to okay specify. Whereas okay if you want to okay specify okay if you want to okay specify so for example, how do we get the size of a file? Du-h. So du-h, okay, this guy. What is the size of okay, this guy? 240 KB. So whereas okay, if you want to okay, split the file, okay, split hyphen okay, B. So one okay, instead of okay, one. So okay, 20K. So okay, 20K test2.txt okay with okay size okay with okay size okay split okay split okay based on okay size split based on okay size underscore. So now ls hyphen lrt. So it will be having a so a b the same thing. So ls hyphen l. So we can see that right split A B A C. So based on the size 20 KB 20 we have specified as what is the size of the file du hyphen sh. The size of the file is 200 and okay, 40K 204 KB, but I have specified as 20 KB, right? So 20 40 60 80 100 similarly okay 200 the last one will be that. So if you observe this one for example okay ls hyphen lrth. So ls hyphen okay lr okay h. So okay here. So okay, if you see this one, all of them are 20 KB, 20 KB, 20 KB, and the last one will be the 1.5. That is the leftover size. That is the leftover okay size. So if you go with if you go with okay number of lines, so there will be a different okay ways. So this is about the okay split command. So we use this okay split command. So whereas we can also okay specify. So whereas we can also specify split. So if you want to split the file into okay four okay equal number of okay number. So for example, like if you go with okay equal size. So okay equal underscore okay size. So equal size underscore now ls. So ls hyphen l. So if you go with the equal size, see, majority of them are so all of them are equal sizes. So 515, okay 65. So which means that so whatever the size is available, so whatever the size is available, we can able to okay split. Now it is 200 KB, right? So 51 KB, 51 KB, 51 KB. It's equally okay splitted. That is the advantages of okay using hyphen n. So hyphen okay, what are the options we are having? Hyphen l. So okay, hyphen L means to specify the number of okay lines. Hyphen B means to specify the size. Hyphen N means to specify the equal number of okay, I mean n expressed number. So equal number of lines, it will be okay splitted. It will be okay splitted. Okay. I mean, if you want to, if you want to could do with equal number of okay chunks also. So there are okay multiple options. So for example, okay, if you go with okay split hyphen okay 1/6. So okay 1/6. So size underscore okay chunk. So okay chunk underscore. So okay chunk underscore. So ls hyphen okay lrt. So that way also we can able to okay split. That way also we can also okay do that. So this is main about okay split command. So this command is also okay helpful. So we learn about hyphen b and we learn about okay hyphen n hyphen l. So these are the maximum sizes. If you want to split the size by using any specific, we can also specify the kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes. These are the maximum. Okay, I already told you that. So okay, with 0 or 1 we call it as a bits. Okay, we call it as a okay bits. Okay, 8 bits is equals to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equals to 1 kilobytes. 4 kilobytes is equals to 1 block. And 1024 kilobytes is equal to megabytes. 1024 megabytes is equal to gigabytes. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes. 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabytes. 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, and 1024 okay zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. So this is the last size what we are okay having. So this is the last size what we are having on. So what we are okay having on it. So any doubts on okay the split command? So okay, split is also okay important. So what are all the options okay we learn about okay split command? Just go with okay history. Just okay take all those okay split commands. So how do we search? Okay, for example, okay, if you want to okay, search, okay, if you want to search only the split commands, so the grep command is not only for a file. So grep command, okay, even we can also okay search from okay previous output, okay, from the previous command output. If you want to search the okay, if you want to search a pattern, that time also we can use that time also we can use okay split command. So that time also we can use the grep command. That's why pipe is also one of the very important so command. So pipe is also one of the very important facility. So okay where okay we can able to so okay use this okay where we can able to okay transfer the previous command output as an input to the next command. Then if you want to get that output, then okay we can use this okay split command. Sorry, even the pipe okay even pipe followed by the pipe we can use okay as I told you that. So okay pipe always okay in when you are working on a Linux operating system we use okay pipe very frequently. So if the previous command output is a valid to the next command input, then obviously we go with a pipe symbol. So any doubts on okay these two commands? So very small commands we have discussed. One is okay split and okay one is okay paste. So in a paste command, so okay in a paste command, okay by default if you want to okay paste the content of the file in okay in serial okay in parallel serial wise, then okay we can go with that. Or whereas okay I mean basically paste command way and what scenarios we use it is when you want to combine okay multiple lines output as a single line output, then okay we go with okay this paste command. So where you have requirement that 4 lines you want to okay make it as a single line, 5 lines okay single line. So that is the major okay usage of going with okay this okay, paste command. And split is also very simple and okay straightforward. The name itself, if you want to split the file size okay file based on a size, based on the number of lines, based on the equal sizes, then okay we can go with that. This is the hyphen l means number of okay lines, okay number of okay lines. So okay number of okay lines, okay this is to specify specify okay size. And okay this is the equal size. So okay equal okay size, equal okay size. This is how we can able to okay, use this okay two command. So I hope it's okay file. Okay, any doubts on okay here on these two commands? Okay. Now we'll discuss about okay few more okay, important commands which are head and okay tile. So which are head and okay tile. So the name itself, if you go with okay this head and tile, you know that okay the what are the straightforward meaning of head and tile? Head means okay I mean top I mean okay head means okay top lines. Tile means okay below lines. Tile means okay below lines. Okay tile means okay below okay lines. So okay, if you go with okay head command, so by default head command and tile command we can able to okay, display. If you go with the head command, we can able to get first 10 lines from a file by using the head command. If you go with the tile command, we can able to get last 10 lines from a file. Whereas we can also specify how many number of lines also we can have, how many number of lines you want to display. That also okay, we can go with okay head command. So for example, like if you go with okay head, just simply okay head, then xax or okay, okay simply. So by default, by default, we are going to get first 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, 10. Total 10 lines, okay, it is okay displayed. So total 10 lines, okay, it is okay displayed. So total 10 lines, so okay, it displayed. So okay, what is your observation and okay here? So even cat command also we can use without of a file. So which means that for any command, if you feel that previous command output, we can use it as a input to the next command, we can use this like a pipe symbol. So by default, how many lines it displayed? Okay, first okay 10 lines. First okay 10 lines. Whereas head hyphen okay, I mean okay head hyphen hyphen help, very limited number of options we are having with okay head. So okay, by default it prints the first 10 lines of each file to a standard output. So if you want to okay print the okay first k bytes. So okay, if you want to specify the number of okay bytes, then okay we can use okay hyphen okay c. Hyphen n means to display the number of okay lines. So okay we don't okay in the same size is also as you discussed like bytes, kilobytes, megabytes. I mean that we don't go with that. So we always, I mean, head command allows us to display the okay first I mean, it allows us to view the content first okay beginning of the lines. Whereas from the beginning of the lines by default 10 lines. If you want to display more lines, for example, okay head hyphen okay 20. So okay head hyphen 20 test2.txt cat hyphen n. So okay we can able to get the okay first 20 lines. See the cat command, why I display the cat command is okay to ensure that it has displayed the 20 lines. For that only okay I use this okay I use this cat hyphen n okay n option. So for example, okay, if you want to display the first 30 lines, so okay 30, so okay 30, so we can go with that. Whereas okay, if you want to okay display okay if you want to display the first line of a file, so okay head hyphen one, so okay head hyphen one test1.txt. This is the, so if somebody asks you that okay how to print how to print only first line of a file, then okay we can use this okay head hyphen okay n. So head hyphen n. So even in okay head command, so even on okay head command, so if you want to display the okay size, for example like a hyphen c, so okay 1 kb, so okay test2.txt. So first 1 kb, how many number of lines are there? It displays okay those lines, but so it is okay. I mean we don't okay use this one. So similarly, the tile command is also the same way. So tile hyphen hyphen. So okay, tile hyphen hyphen okay help. So if you see this tile commands, we're also having that okay hyphen c, okay hyphen c. So okay bytes. The tile command is if you want to display the last 10 lines from a file, okay then okay we can go with okay by using okay tile command. So okay, I will discuss about hyphen f means follow. So okay, I mean okay follow and retry, and okay hyphen is number of okay lines, and okay quiet, and okay the sleep and all we don't use this one. So here we use hyphen f option and okay hyphen n okay option. So for example okay the same file tile hyphen, so okay for example okay tile file name test2.txt last 10 lines, last 10 lines we can able to, so okay you can see that okay last okay 10 lines 1 2 3 5 4, so I mean last 10 lines okay displayed. Whereas okay if you want to okay if you want to display more number of lines, last 20 lines, we can also just pass the okay number. So if you want to display the data hyphen c okay 1 kb, so we can also display, so last okay 1 kb okay I mean this is the size of 1 kb, accordingly it displayed okay those okay lines, it displayed okay those lines. These are the major functionalities of okay head and okay tile command. But so okay for example that is not the, I mean even in it okay even with the tile command we are having a option called okay hyphen f. So what hyphen f does is with the help of hyphen f we can able to okay okay hyphen f means follow the okay output. What do you mean by follow the output? So let's consider. So there is a okay. You might have seen that like a CRT missions. If you go to any medical okay any hospitals, or okay for example, so okay if you take a mission, so if you take a mission will continuously generates the okay data. Or if you take our human body, so okay our heart will continuously beats. And okay, I mean, if you are having any equipment, it will also capture that per second, okay, how much is the heartbeat. So it will it will calculate, right? So assume that there is a file. What I want to say is, there is a file. For that file, the data is continuously loading. The data is continuously adding. Either by source, either by a program. We call it as a log file. So generally, so if you go with real time or something, there is a program. A program generates a runtime information of a program generates a runtime information of runtime execution of program, that we can call it as a log file. So for example, if you take that IRCTC or any or any app, so those apps will continuously generate the data. What kind of a data? Who connected, and how many tickets he has booked it, and how the application is behaving, and whichever the logging mechanism we have specified, accordingly the data stored into the log file. So where there is a data, and the data is keep on loading into a file, and if you want to see what is the latest data which is loaded into the file, so you want to follow the output, you want to follow the, so if you want to follow the output, if you want to follow the if you want to follow the output of output of a file, then we can use this tile command. So ls hyphen lrt, so tile hyphen f test2 dot txt. So by default, so it displayed as 10 lines, right? So by default last 10 lines. Now let's see the, so magic how it's going to be behave. Cd, home by, so cd home by ram by, so split test split. So now I'm having a data. So for example, now I'm trying to assign echo echo one. So double greater than. So I will tell you what is echo command and all. So next will be the echo command. So I'm trying to assign this output to, so here. So now we can able to observe the output on here. So here I'm trying to add one, right? So automatically one will be displayed on here. Whereas for example, if I add two here, automatically two will be displayed. So 3, so 3, so 3 will be displayed. So for example, assume that, so for example, we're having some files, right? So cat, so cat, so double greater than, so double greater than test2.txt. So now try to observe it. So automatically the output will be changed. The output will be changed on the screen, which means that if there is a file, and if you want to continuously, so if you want to continuously the file is continuously getting the data, and data is keep on adding into that file. And if you want to follow the output, if you want to follow the output, then we can use tile hyphen f. Hyphen f means tile hyphen f means follow the output. So sometimes some other way is, we what we call it as hyphen f means, if you want to display the dynamic data which is getting added to the file, if you want to display that, we can go with hyphen d option. Hyphen d is nothing but, sorry, hyphen f means if you want to display the dynamic output, dynamic content of a file, I mean in a screen, then we can also use this tile command. So tile command is also one of the very powerful utility. So very simple. We can also use this cd var lock. Now go ahead on this one. So tile hyphen f. So messages, tile hyphen f messages. So whenever you try to add any data, for example, whenever if you are performing any operations, so for example, I'm trying to exit here. So here it's saying that, so remove the remove the slice user, slice stopping the user. Whereas if I'm trying to connect new session, so new session, so so new session, so it will say that automatically here I'm not adding the data. So according to the system, varlock messages is the system related output, that will be stored on, that will be stored on what, whenever you get the data, automatically it will display into the screen. That is the main intent of this tile hyphen f. Hyphen f means we call it as follow the output, or we can also call it as we can display the dynamic content which is adding which is loading into the file. If you display the dynamic content kind of screen, then we can go with tile hyphen f option. These are the main functionalities of head and tile commands, head and tile command. So any doubts on here hyphen f option? Say if you're having any doubts. So clear, I guess. So we can also combine the output. For example, I mean you are having the the split.txt, right? So we can also use tile. So hyphen n, 20, then hyphen f. So where log messages, where log, so messages. So we might we are getting as a permission denied message. So basically, so in this pattern, so for example control C. So by default, last 20 lines. So whenever if you are having the next 20 lines are added to this file, then in that case, so it will be in that case, it will be so it will be rotated. For example, the same here. So tile hyphen f20. So let's take it as paste test1.txt. So we are having this much of data, right? So now, so come here. So here. So for example, I'm trying to add cat. So cat, let's take it as very small file. So greater than, so double greater than paste dot txt. So whenever there is a whenever if you add 20 lines, then during that time, that time only the data will be I mean it will be so displayed. So that is the major intent of this. So hyphen n to specify the number of whenever you get any 20 new lines, during that time only output will be rotated. But we always use this tile hyphen f file name, so that we can able to follow the latest data which is loading into the file. Then we can use this hyphen f option. So any doubts on head and tile command? So whereas with the help of this pipe symbol, so with the help of this pipe symbol, so with the help of this pipe symbol, so with the help of the with the help of this pipe symbol, so what we can do is, so assume that, so we are having, let's go to cd, cd split test. So now we are having we are having a file. So now somebody asks you that I want to display the number of lines between 20 to 30. So I want to display the lines from either now we are getting 1 to 10, or last 10 lines, last 20 or 30. Whereas I want to display the now I want to display only these four lines: early classical period, this empire, and I want to display only these four lines. How can we get that? So now first use this cat hyphen n. So cat hyphen n. So paste one dot txt. So what are the here early classical period. So what is the line number of this one? So my requirement is I want to display the line numbers from 10 to 13. I want to display line numbers from 10 to 13. So in this case, what we can do, we can use head hyphen 14. So head hyphen 14, paste that txt. Now how many lines you want to display? So head hyphen 14. So we are trying to get these I mean if you go with the head hyphen 13, so head hyphen 13, so head hyphen 13. So first 13 lines it will be display. Now we want to display last four lines, right? So in this case, we can just use okay simply tile hyphen okay 4. So whichever the lines you are looking, so whichever the lines you are looking, only those lines will be okay displayed. So with the help of this okay, with the help of okay head and tail combinations, we can able to get the number of okay, we can able to get the text okay middle of the okay if you are middle of the page, if you want to get the data, then that can be achieved okay by using this head and okay tile okay head and tile facilities. Any doubts? So this is also very simple and straightforward command where okay we can able to so okay get okay this head and okay tile command. So history. So if you go with okay history, these are all the options of okay head and okay tile. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So any doubts? So similarly, we're also having that okay, more and less command. So the more and less command, what it does is the same. Okay, that these are all the file viewing commands: head, tie, cat, okay, cat, and okay, view, okay, more and less. All these are the file viewing commands. If you go with okay, more and okay, less commands, you will also get okay, some more okay, some more. You will get. I mean, it will. It allows so the more and less commands is mainly for the file viewing commands. So for example, okay, let's take, I do have a file called okay, test2.txt. So if I execute cat and then file name, so it will display everything in a screen. So okay, then again it's a difficult for us to okay. I mean again you need to okay, okay you need to identify okay where this line is started. From there okay we need to be okay scroll down. I don't want okay that. So I don't want that okay facility. So in this case we can go with okay more commands. In this case we can go with this okay more command. So okay more so test2.txt. So if you go with okay more command, first it will display the number of lines that can fit on okay screen, that can fit on okay screen. So okay, these are the number of lines. Okay, number of lines. Okay, fit it on okay screen. From there, if you want to go down, so then you have, I mean after that, if you feel that okay, I read entire data, then you can press the enter. So enter means so the lines. Okay, you can see that okay, the percentage also we can able to okay we can able to okay if you keep on pressing the okay enter, if I keep on pressing the enter, the lines okay will be okay scroll down, and okay we can able to okay see the how much percentage is also completed. And okay either we can okay we can use this enter or okay page down, we can also okay page down page up doesn't work. So this is the so with help of okay with help of this more command we can able to view the file content line by line. So we can able to view the file content line by line. So if you want we can also okay search the content by using the okay forward slash, for example. So okay for example if I want to search this content, so okay we can also okay search that okay content, we can also search the, so it will show that wherever there is a Magadha character, so it's keep on okay staying that, so it's keep on okay stating that these are the lines we are having a Magadha okay statements. And okay similarly, so okay, I mean that is the main okay, if you want to come out from okay, if you want to come out from okay more command, you just press q means okay quit. So let me show you that okay what are all the major options we are having it on okay more command. So as part of okay more command, so okay as part of okay more commands, 1 minute. So okay these are all the okay options of okay these are the so okay major options of okay more commands. Hyphen d means so display okay help instead of okay ring bell. So but that is not much needed, but that is not okay much needed. So hyphen D means so display help instead of the okay, ring bell, and hyphen F means okay count the logical, okay suppress that okay, but okay here we don't use this okay, minus number means specify the number of lines okay per okay screen full. So if you want to display pressing okay once you press the enter only okay one okay only one line it is going right. So if you want to go with okay more, we can also go with okay plus number minus number, that also we can able to okay use it. So but okay with help of okay this, so with help of okay this okay I mean we always okay use this okay we always okay use this okay, more command and okay head command. We always use this okay more command to view the okay file content. Whereas similarly we are also having okay we are also having a less command, but less is having the more advantages, more options. What we are having on okay what we are having on, see okay even so we are also having a this much of okay options. We are having on okay this much of options okay we are having on. So okay less commands. So less hyphen hyphen help. If you run this one summary of okay less commands. So what the functionality of less command and okay more command is used to okay view the file content. So if you use the okay file content. For example, if you go with okay less, so okay less so okay test dot okay test the same thing, it will okay shows okay it will show us like test2.txt. So in the more command you can't able to use any navigation keys. Once we okay, once we reach down we can't go back to again okay previous lines. Whereas okay if you go with okay whereas okay if you go with okay less command, if you want we can also scroll to up, or okay we can also use scroll down, which means that scroll up scroll up okay scroll scroll okay page up page down, and okay even okay all those lines. So even all the navigation keys okay it supports navigation keys. So okay it supports. And okay we can also okay search the data by using semicolon or forward slash. There are okay lots of advantages we are having on. So okay we are having on okay less command. So that's why we always use the less command. If somebody asks that what are the differences between the more and less command, more command doesn't support navigation keys, whereas less command supports the navigation keys. What are the navigation keys? Page up, page down, so okay right down. And if you want to go back okay I mean so instead of going line by line we can also okay move okay page up down. All those options we can able to so achieve it. So we can also okay use okay all these are okay options pattern. So for example, so for searching, if you want to search a character, forward slash pattern, search the forward nth matching line. So backward slash means if you want to search from that okay in the backward position, okay backward slash. N means repeat the previous search. N means repeat the previous search in recursive direction. So okay, these are the options for okay searching. And jump, so if you want to jump from one line to another line, we can also use this okay G, go to the first line, capital G, go to the end of the line. So this you will come to know once we learn about VA editor. The majority of VA editor also okay options we can use it and okay here. So but okay we don't use okay this much. So basically we don't use okay this much. We always use okay just okay less file name, but even people will not okay, remember okay this much. So if you want to edit the line, so we can also okay use we can also okay use it. We can also so use it. So okay whenever if you want to analyze a file, if there is a file and if you want to analyze the file content, then okay we always go with okay less command, because less command is one of the best command. It where we can able to use the shortcuts which are available on keyboard, okay which are available on keyboard, so which are available on okay keyboard. That's why we always use the okay, less command. If you want to come out from okay, less or more command, just press the Q. Q means quit. So interrupt the okay, signal. So for interruption the signals okay, we go with okay quit option. We go with a so quit option. You go with a okay, quit option. So any doubts on okay, the commands okay, what we have discussed now? So is it fine? So So let's stop the recording.